Hello, my name is Josh, owner of Wax Professional Detailing, and here's my story.
Typical millennial, stays on a job for 2 or 3 years and then moves on to something else.
Push yourself forward into the unknown.
I don't care how good you are, I don't care how talented you are. There are some times when things aren't going to go right, and you have to deal with it.
At some point, everything's going to go south on you. And you're going to say, this is it. This is how I end. Now, you can either accept that, or you can get to work. You just begin. You do the math. You solve one problem, and you solve the next one.